Is that your food?
This is our soon-to-be new puppy from across the street. Whoa! As you can see, she's a bulldog. Zoe, what you doing, sweetie? And of course, Napoleon. You can see she's a puppy. She's probably, about 8 weeks old. I could tell Stephanie wasn't ready to give her up quite yet. Aww. Zoe likes to play. Napoleon's like, I don't know what to make of this. Aww. She's so cute. Hey, baby. Good boy.
Can you go outside?
She's exploring. Well, I'm going to